Bro, look who I ran into in the middle of the woods. It's the man, the myth, the Frost Riz legend. My guy, Yeti. You already know, squad.
All right, squad, no bait, no hook style. This is ancient technique with a little modern Riz.
Let's go!
Tell me that ain't peak masculinity.
Dinner secured. Fresh caught, hand speared, straight from the source.
Gordon Ramsay would cry, bro.
We're about to cook up a feast and...
Bro, I had to hook you up, Thave. Fresh drop, squatch mode.
This go hard. I'm feeling untamed.
Fire, fish, and full Riz.
Best collab of the season.